Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Al-Samman, the developer of Cartonnage ORM, and this video will be an introductory video to Cartonnage ORM. I will try to make it short as possible, but I need to share with you some information and points about the basic usage of Cartonnage and the philosophy behind Cartonnage. This is the official website, cartonnage-orm.com, and this website you will find a lot of information about the cartonnage capabilities, usage, and philosophy. Starting from how to install cartonnage, you will find that you can install it easily like that, pip install cartonnage, and you will find here the history and the philosophy behind the name of cartonnage, the purpose of developing cartonnage. You will find here the documentation page. You will find the evaluation page. This is evaluation page is built using Claude AI. I asked the Claude AI to evaluate the Cartonnage ORM, and you will find this evaluation here. You will find the video, this video under this home page or video page here in the website. Back to the documentation, you will find the documentation is comprehensive, and you will find that it's well written and documented. For example, if I took this feature, filter by exact value or filter by expression or anything, you will find the documentation tell you that if you want to do this thing, you need to write this Python code, and this Python code will generate this SQL for you, and it will use those parameters, and the expected output will be look like that. Will looks like that, and this into documentation is built on top of a comprehensive test file. This comprehensive test file I shared with you in the GitHub repo. You will find it here. This comprehensive test file is about 918 line of uh, test lines. It tests everything of cartonnage capabilities and features. This file will not serve as a test file only for you. It will serve also as a documentation for the cartonnage capabilities, and you may use it for to learn about cartonnage capabilities and features in depth. You can use this file to build more test scenarios or learning scenarios on top of the current written scenarios. To be able to test the cartonnage on the different databases, I tested cartonnage on 5 databases: Oracle, MySQL, Postgres, Azure, and SQLite. You will find here helper function that helped me to initiate a connection to those different databases. The first 5 functions here helped me to initiate a single connection to any of those databases. The second helper function here helped me to initiate a connection pool to any of the mentioned databases, even if the database is not supported natively the connection pool like SQLite and Azure. Those helper functions will help you to initiate also the connection pool to any of those databases. The last 3 function here is to help you to initiate a native connection pool to the databases that already support natively the connection pool, which Oracle, MySQL, and Postgres here. To be able to use those helper function, you have to write down your credential here in the AKE connection file. You will find it on the repo also. I prepared this file to help you to initiate your connection. You just need to write down here your credential for those 5 classes, and those 5 classes will be used. The information those 5 classes will be used to in the helper function to help you to initiate the connections. If you want also to use the same database schema and information that I used to test cartonnage, you will find that here a folder called HR. This folder has SQL script to help you populate the data and the schema into MySQL, Postgres, or Azure database. You will find another file here for the Oracle syntax. You will find a third file here for the SQLite syntax. You will find the SQLite database also is built here hr.db, but I didn't use the database inside this folder. It's just like a backup for the hr.db SQLite hr.db. I used the instance that outside the HR folder beside the cartonnage test itself. You will find also the source code of the cartonnage here. You will find the two demo we will talk about now. You will find a file called under the HR directory or folder called hr.py. This file will help you to read the SQL script to populate the data into your database, the required database, and you will find that helper function here also to just write down your credential and uncomment any of those connection, and that file will already read the SQL script and will populate the data into the database to start to play around the cartonnage features using the same database and the same schema. Now I'm going to the demo directly to talk with you about some of the philosophy behind the cartonnage. Let me here start with the import. You just need to import the cartonnage like that and the connection like that. After that, the connection here is only to import the Oracle credential. To be honest, in this demo, you can initiate you can import SQLite and initiate a normal SQLite connection like that. You can, after that, initiate an instance of SQLite class. This class is already written in the cartonnage library. You initiate an instance of this class by only pass SQLite connection that already established now, and you can use the instance of this SQLite database class by assigning it to the record, and the record here is the parent of all the classes that we are working with for manipulating data operation, or you can say it's the parent of all of your tables. Uh, it has an attribute called database double underscore. You just assign the instance to the database attribute of the record, and it will take care of the rest of the things. Now, I have a department table in the database. This department table, I am just need to inherit from record and do nothing. The cartonnage is built on top of zero model configuration. You have only to declare a class and inherit from the record and just make the body empty like that and just pass. After that, you can use directly your cartonnage and your code to read from the database. Here we are going to initiate an instance of department table, and you can use the chainable API to retrieve all the data from this department. I will print the retrieved data when more than one row is returned to your to cartonnage or to your code. You can iterate over the retrieve the data like that, and you can print the data directly. Also, you can, for example, print department ID like that. Sorry. You will find more details about how to use cartonnage in the documentation, as I said. Let us together to run this now. Department demo. It's already uh, selected the department rows and retrieves the data and printed it out to you. After that, you can do more operations, like you need to delete all the departments from the table, and you want to see what the cartonnage already executed to do something like that. So I will use record set. Record set here, when you retrieved all the data in the departments table, um, it's actually found that there is more than one row have been retrieved, so it put it under a record set class instance, and that record set you can access using your initiated instance of departments under the attribute of record set, and you can do also using the Fluent and the Chainable API more operation on that retrieve the record set of the departments rows. So here I will delete the returned rows and the returned rows which already saved now in this record set, and I will tell cartonnage also to print out the statement, the SQL statement, the generated statement, and the parameters used to do this operation. It will tell me that okay, I already used this SQL and I have used those parameters to delete. This operation is a batch or bulk delete. It will be from performance wise effective. It didn't delete one by one. It deletes record set operations are a bulk operation. I wanted to make sure that the affected rows were or rows count of this operation equal 11 rows, and I will test that using that now, and I will already print the number of affected rows of this operation here. You will find that it's okay. This is 11 rows have been deleted from department. Now I wanted to confirm that with you. As you can see now, zero model configuration. You can just plug and play around any table in the database using cartonnage. Was one of the important philosophy points that cartonnage is built for, but also I wanted to share with you now the another point, the important point, that how it's easily to work around different databases in the same program like that. Let me try first to override the departments variable here and initiate a new instance of department table and try to retrieve all the data, and to make sure that it will print nothing, to make sure that all the rows has been or have been deleted from the database like that. So you will find here that department list is already emptied. Now I want you to see this scenario. I am going to connect to Oracle database, has the same HR database. The database that we deleted the department from was SQLite database. Now I am going to connect to another database, Oracle connection, normal Oracle connection. No, nothing hidden. It's just an Oracle connection. And after you initiate an Oracle connection, you will use this Oracle connection to, here I'm initiating the connection, and I will do with the Oracle class like SQLite class the same thing. I am going to pass the Oracle connection as a parameter to the Oracle class to initiate a new instance of the Oracle class, and that new instance of the Oracle class I will here assign to the database double underscore attribute of the record to tell the cartonnage I am going to use another or a different database. After that, it will tell me, yes, I am already connected. Sorry, uh, it is something related to, okay, sorry. It's something related to the credential. So I am run the same script from a different folder. I saved the credential too. Let me here to this step, and I will uncomment the steps that we okay. Department, okay. It's try to connect to Oracle now. It's connected to Oracle. Database connection has been changed from SQLite to Oracle here. This is the message. And now I will try to retrieve all the Oracle, the department rows from the Oracle database like that. It's now connecting to Oracle and it's already here retrieved the same 11 departments from Oracle. After that, I will just assign the already initiated SQLite instance, class instance, which already have an established connection to SQLite database. I will assign this SQLite class instance again to the record using the attribute database double underscore, and it will tell you that the connection has been changed from Oracle to SQLite again here like that. After that, you will be able to insert again uh, the retrieved rows from Oracle into SQLite again like that. So we in this video we I showed you that how it's easily to connect it to any database. You can plug and play, you can do any operation, you can do bulk operation, you can retrieve, select, and in documentation you will find a comprehensive and and rich fluent API to filter and do a lot of advanced things like common table expressions and merge statements for different databases and so on. One last thing, you will find those two demos, department demo and the same demo exactly on department sorry, no, employees on in the project repo. Uh, I want to run the employees. It's the same exactly department scenario. It's read from SQLite, delete all employees, and retrieve from Oracle and insert into the employees table again into SQLite database like that. Okay, you will find that it's at first it's retrieved 40 employee 40 employees, and you will find that it's deleted those employees here. Just one thing I wanted to mention here, and you will find also that in the documentation, because employees have a null values, null columns. I am not I didn't tell I didn't tell Cartonnage to just delete like I did in the department here, because departments haven't any nullable columns. So I told told the Cartonnage to just delete, but in employees to prevent skipping the deletion operation, because it will face some nullable values. I told it on columns it will use these columns to delete by these columns the employees from a SQLite database. So you will find that it here populated a where condition employees.employee equal, and it populated a bulk employees IDs here. I will let you to play around the cartonnage. I hope you find it helpful for you in a lot of use cases. If you are a developer and you are enjoying like me to separate between data definition. I like my philosophy is to manage data definition and the database definition, table definition language using SQL, and the manipulation language using the ORM. If you are a data engineer, you wanted to build a data pipeline, like you connect to the database directly, but with a powerful ORM like that. If you are a DevOps engineer, if you wanted to connect to database easily to configure something, if you are an architect, solution architect, data architect, you wanted to play around the data, uh, I hope this ORM, Cartonnage ORM, be helpful for you. Uh, I'm really keen to listen from you and to hear from you feedback on GitHub, LinkedIn, and any communication channel you prefer. Thank you, and a good day.